Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be showing you a step-by-step on how to achieve this stunning middle part sew-in. This style is perfect if you're looking for a natural looking and voluminous result. So let's dive right in. So step one is preparing your client's hair. So before we begin, make sure your client's natural hair is clean and free of any product buildup. Detangle my client's hair with this brush blow dryer, which works wonders on every hair texture. If you like to give it a try, I will have it listed in the description box below. However, this step will ensure a smooth sew-in install. Step 2 is planning out your leave-out portion. So first you're going to part out a middle part, and then you're going to stick your rat tail comb underneath the middle part. This will determine if you can see the rat tail comb or not when you place it towards the scalp. After that, your portion should look something like this. Step 3, sewing on the neck. This part is really optional, but it's necessary for me because I like to add more hair, and protecting my client's hair by sewing on more to the net versus their natural hair. This will provide a sturdy base for your sew-in install. Step 4, securing the wefts. For the first bundle, I double weft the track and pierce them both, and then I like to push the first 2 tracks underneath the braid, so if the client ever pulls the hair up, you won't see a track at all. With the next 2 bundles, I'll single track them and drape them closer to my client's eyebrows to frame their face for a flawless middle part. Continuing this step, gradually working my way up to the leave out. Step 5 is styling and blending. Once you cut the excess net off and undo the braids for the leave out, it's time to style and blend your client's hair. For this part, I highly recommend that you use some type of heat protection for your client's hair. For her leave out, I decided to curl her hair with my flat iron to create a seamless blend. You can use a flat iron or a curling wand to further the style and achieve your desired look. For step 7, final touches. To complete the look, apply a small amount of serum or oil to add shine and reduce any frizziness. Finally, use a mirror to check all angles and make any necessary adjustments. So like if you see any thread, if you see any frizziness, just be mindful of those things. And there you have it. The beautiful middle part sewn with deep wave hair is complete.
You can see this face. You can tell I'm happy, okay? She knows what she's doing up in here. Bye.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more hair care tips and styling tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.